Yo, yo. All right, back again. I don't know what happened to the first stream, but we're gonna go again, and hopefully this one starts working. And one way to find out. Yeah, we're back. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Cool. I want to start the stream like this, anyways. Cool. And it's another stream where basically we're gonna do some scalps, yeah. And obviously it's market shit right now, isn't it? So I'm not gonna force any trade, and we're gonna trade with a little bit of money. Like we don't need to go crazy, like $100, $50, $20, like wherever you're willing to risk in it. But the market shit right now, so like you don't need to go crazy. Feel me? Just give me one sec. My phone's going crazy. Phone's going crazy. All right, cool. So I'm gonna tell you what I done this morning. This morning, I got into a fart coin trade. If you follow me on X, you would have seen it. I got a quick 50%, and I started my day nicely. That was a quick $200. Like you can't go wrong. First trade of the day, $200, and yeah, you can't go wrong. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try make some more money, and hopefully, if you're on this live and you've got the funds to do so, you can follow the trades. If you don't, you can learn something. You know, it goes, or you can teach me something. So let's go. All right, cool. Let's start with Fartcoin. As you can see, an hour ago, posted this. Fartcoin had some Fartcoin for breakfast, 55%. That was a nice move. That was some nice gains for me, anyways. And I'm gonna show you the trade. I know all of this looks mucky, but we was trading on the 15 minutes. So this little triangle broke out. That was nice. Obviously, I sold over here. I'll show you my maxi quick where I sold. Let's go on the 15-minute. Hey, where maxi does some dumb shit like this, man. All right, cool. Let's go on the 15 minutes, yeah? You can see the difference. Look, buy, sell. Look what happened after I sold. It dumped. Like in this market, like you need to be grateful for what you get. So like if I still stayed in there, I would have been in a loss right now. Or I would have broke even. That's dead. But anyways, let's jump in the market. Cool. Right now, Bitcoin is not doing fuck all. It's not doing fuck all at all, yeah? So how can we trade this? It's gonna sound boring, but we have to wait. I'm not gonna lie to you. We have to wait. We have to wait, man. Because this market will take your money, bro. But look what Fartcoin done. Let's get rid of this. If you didn't sell down there, you'll be pissed. It's dumping, right? So yeah, like my bad. I'm just speaking to someone. Just give me 1 second. Boom, boom, boom. All right, cool. What's good, chat? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Good chat. Turn that off. But yeah, cool. So we're gonna do some scalp today, yeah? And I don't know what coin, I don't know what direction. We just have to wait for the confirmation, right? So we need Bitcoin to give us some sort of confirmation. Like, are we gonna long or are we gonna short? Right now, Bitcoin just playing games as usual. Let's go on the 15-minute. Like, we're not breaking this low, we're not breaking this high. don't really like trading like this. We need some sort of direction so we can trade, whether we're gonna long or we're gonna short. Like when I caught this trade, fuck coin about an hour ago, I'm gonna explain to you that Bitcoin was bouncing. So I saw that bounce happening. So obviously I picked fuck coin and fuck coin bounced with it as well, as you can see. Smart money took their money here and dumb money didn't take their money here. And yeah, that's all I can say about that. Like, if you didn't take your money down here, you're pissed. But as long as you learn the lesson, you're not really pissed on it. So it is what it is. It is what it is. But cool. Um, what am I gonna trade? Honestly, the one coin that I do want to trade, but it's kind of iffy right now, is Zcash. Like if I had to trade, like if someone put a gun to my head and said, pick a coin right now, what do you want to trade? I'll trade. Nah, I won't even. It's scary, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's scary right now. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's scary right now. I won't trade Jasmine. I won't trade. See, right now, this is the most annoying. See, this right now, yeah, is the most annoying bit of trading because you have to wait. Whether it's 15 minutes, whether it's 30 minutes, whether it's 5 minutes, you have to wait. Like, if you ain't got that patient, the market just gonna take your money, bro. We traded Sui yesterday, made some profit, gave it back to the market, and then made my money back. Before that, traded Sui, live stream, made my money. Even yesterday's live stream, we was in the green. So right now, what do I want to trade? Let's go on Crypto Bubbles first. Crypto Bubble tells us nothing's doing nothing. I mean, like, see stuff like this, I don't even pay attention to this, bro. Like, so these are just dead coins. They're not doing nothing. Like, the market's shit. Let's go on the hour. Market shit. Let's get to 1 to 100. And it's even shit up. Because I was looking at 100 to 200 on the list, obviously. But look, shit. So let's go on the 1 to 100. This thing starts from Bitcoin all the way to Jasmine and all of those coins. Shit, shit, shit. Shit. So even if we do like get into a trade, yeah, it's gonna be a quick trade. 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute max. Because it's just a shit day to trade, bro. It's just shit. I know I keep saying shit, but damn, this is so shit. I done the silver chart about 2 weeks ago. Silver's pissing me off, man. Like I really thought it would retrace to the 0.5 fib level, which will bring it to $64. That's like no brainer because it's gone up. Like when an asset goes up like this, a retracement is healthy. But the retracement was only like a 16% retracement, and he just said, nope, I'm going back up. Annoying, man. Like if you haven't watched my video, um, I basically said I'm gonna be DCAing in silver every month. I'm gonna buy a kilo of silver every month, and so on, so on. So keep an eye out on that one. Cool. Let me explain something to you about this Bitcoin chart, yeah? See this price, 89,400. This white line, let's just make it bigger so everyone can see, yeah? This white line is very important. On one of my videos, yeah? I'm gonna show you on watch video. Let me go on my channel. On this video, when I was talking about Solana, about, what was it, a day ago, like 2 days, a day ago, I explained to you like, how important this white line is. I said, as long as we don't break this white line, we still got a chance. We still got a chance that the price will go up. But if we break this white line, we're fucked. And look what happened. After I done that video, 8 hours, 12 hours later, I came all the way down. and this white line got respected. This white line got respected. Same way it got respected over here. And that's why I just trade like level by level. I mark out key support areas, resistant areas, and then that's how I do my thing. But yeah, so far on the daily, it's looking like buyers are coming in, right? We're not going lower. These wicks show you that buying pressure, buying pressure. And that's why we're wicking up, yeah? Bro, my bad. Let me just put my phone on silent. Buying pressure, buying pressure. That's why we wick. That's why you see those wicks, yeah? Cool. So on the daily, Bitcoin's looking like, cool, buyers have stepped in. On the 4 hour, same thing. Let's go on the hour. On the hour, you can see this little double bottom. I'm gonna count the wicks right now because we ain't got nothing else to do. Low, higher low. Once we break this, we'll have a higher high. Yeah. Cool. So if Bitcoin breaks like this line right here, this yellow line, we're in the game. We're in the game. But the aim of this is the real finesse is trying to be in a long before it does all of that. So that means like you have a sick entry. Like your entry would be nice. Do you get what I'm saying? So it's just about finding the right coin. That's just that support. Oh, that's about to hit support and all of that. Let's go back to Fartcoin because I really love trading Fartcoin. But it just moves crazy. Fartcoin moves crazy, bro. Scary. This coin is scary because it can go up and down very quickly. And depending on your leverage, you can get smoked. Depending on leverage, you can get smoked. What's a fib level? Fib level is basically I'll show you. It's a Fibonacci retracement tool. So I'll show you how to use a fib level, bro. Da-da-da. Bro, this guy keeps calling my phone. Is he alright or something? The fuck? What's a fib level, yeah? So look, I'm gonna show you. That's a good question as well, my guy. I'm gonna show you what a fib level is. Boom. Let's go on the daily. This is silver on the daily, yeah? So I'm gonna get rid of this fib level. So what you do is you go on trading view and boom. You see it right here? It's basically called a Fibonacci retracement line, yeah? You get from your previous low swing to your highest swing. And that's how you do your Fibonacci retracement line. And these lines are called your fib levels, yeah? So basically, you see these numbers, like 0.5 would be halfway mark of this whole move. You know this move from the lowest swing to the highest swing? The halfway mark will be over here, yeah? 618 will be the 60% of the move will be here. What price likes to do is it likes to pump and then it likes to come back down to the halfway mark or if it's really bullish, like if it's really like trying to go, it'll come down to the 30% mark, the 0.382, and then it'll fly up. So what traders do is they have buy orders over here. They'll have buy orders over here. Even like some people use bots because you'll see some sort of reaction down here. Fib levels, like, and you can do this whether the price is going up or going down. So like the other way around. So we done it for the price going up in it. So going down, I'll show you going down. So watch this. Going down will be like this. From the highest swing to over here, the lowest swing. And what they'll do is, so let's say all of this move didn't happen, yeah? We're just here. So we're here, yeah? The 28th of October. So from the highest swing on the 16th of October to the 28th of October, the lowest swing, you do your fib level. And then look, you see, it gives you all these lines. These are all targets where the price could potentially go next. Here, 618, 0.5, boom, 618, boom. And the price actually done all of that, as you can see. But yeah, that's what fib levels are. That was a good question as well, bro. Not gonna lie. The more you do your fib levels, the more you understand them, innit? The more like The more you practice, you'll get them. It's a nice little tool that traders use. Like, but once you done it so many times, yeah, you can kind of assume where the 50%, where the 618 will be, because you've done this so many times, innit? So you're literally seeing the price go up and then you're literally marking the half or the 60%. Yeah, my bro. Cool. Anyways, let's get out silver because this silver chart pisses me off. What coin? What you lot saying though? What you lot saying, chat? What coin you lot trying to long? Crypto baby 2382. I'm long. You're long on what, my guy? Like, say the coin. Like, bring us in, bro. We're all trying to eat. What coin you longing, bro? Me personally, I want to long fuck coin. Scary, but I want to long it. Cool, this is what we do. We're gonna long fart coin, but we need fart coin to do this for us to enter long. We wanted to break this, use it as support, come back, retest, use that support, and then we can go. If it does that, we're in fart coin. So cool, we've got one coin, yeah, that we can hopefully get into. Another coin would be, what coins look strong? This looks strong, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is going up so much though, man. Look, going up 16%. I can't long this. You know, when I see a coin go up 16%, like, bro, that's mental. I can't long this. For me to enter long in a coin like this, do this, bro, this guy keeps calling my phone, bro. I'm on live, bro. Allow me, man. The fuck? Cool. So for me to enter this trade, I'll need it to come to this red line, the 0.5 or the 618. If it goes below the 618, that's it. There's no enter in this trade. Because what that basically indicates is this shit's going all the way back down. Joking, man. What's the chat saying? Let me catch up with the chat. I said, Falcon, sweat down. Alright. Alright. I wanna cool. My bad, bro. My friend just fucking just destroyed my whole thinking process, bro. Just chatting shit to me about something. Falcon USDT, Maxi, obviously Maxi, but why can't man see it on a thing? Cool. Let me see what you're looking at. What you looking to short in now, bro? Is that what you're saying? You're getting ready to short it, yeah? Alright, cool. But obviously this is not like financial advice, but all of this, my bro, all of this, all the way to even here, yeah? All of this is support. All of this is support. You should, like me personally, I won't short a coin when it's coming at support. But if it does something like this though, I'll entertain the short. If it comes down, breaks support, and then comes up, bearish retest, boom. And obviously this would be an entry right here on the new pivot. As soon as it creates this new low, that would be the entry. That's how I would short this if I was going to short this. Because all of this, see all of this would be like plan B. But me personally, if I looked at this chart and someone told me, you have to do a trade, do it now. What are you going to do? Like if they put a gun to my head, I'll be like, cool, I'm expecting this coin to do something like this. Only because like, so let's 10 plant A, then yellow. Yeah, let's move out the way. Only because we're at support, bro. Do you see what I'm saying? Can't really, you can't really open a short on support. Go on the daily. Yeah, come on, bro, man. Nah, I can't short this here. I mean, shorting it down here. Shorting it down here makes sense because, as you can see, all of this is resistance. Let's turn this red. Shorting it down here makes sense because look, resistance, resistance. As soon as it touched it, boom, came down. But down here, bro, this shit looking like support. At support, you have to, you know what I'm saying? You have to buy support. That's just how I've been taught anyway. Support you buy, resistance you sell. You feel me, bro? So if you're gonna short it, obviously like each to their own, just wait. Just in case this goes the other way. Because I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, am I even into this on a long? Am I long this, bro? I'm not gonna lie to you. That's a nice call. That's a nice shout out still. That's a nice shout out. Fuck coins took off. Altcoin wants to do something, man. Look at the market. Everything's shit, 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 shit. Altcoin's up 2.5%. I caught I caught this early on Altcoin, like just before I went live on stream like an hour ago. I caught this nice move on Altcoin. As you can see, 20x leverage, 55%. Boom. This one was a banger for me. Literally said Altcoin for breakfast. You feel me? Like this one was a banger for me. I'm not gonna lie to you lot. And I started my day off nice. Now I'm thinking to go back in round two. As you can see, look, I bought. Look at my buy, look at my sell. So yeah, it's looking like a round two thing right now. I'm not gonna lie to you lot. But like I said, for me to trade, it needs to just this is just the way this is the way I do my thing in it. And the way I do my thing is it's just based on experience, bro. And I've got my discipline and my rules. Other people do it different ways, but my way is like it needs to makes sense to me. Otherwise, I can't get in the trade, bro. So like right now we're under resistance. It needs to break resistance. Then it needs to come back and use it as support. Then I'll enter the trade. That's how I trade, bro. I tried the other way and I just lost big dough. I just kept on losing dough, 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 dough. It's annoying, bro. It's annoying, my guy. How long we been on this stream now? 20 minutes, 22 minutes. Usually I'm on the usually I'm on the usually I'm on the we usually would have been in a trade by now. Come on, bro. Give us something. This coin might be a good shout out, you know, bro. Your entry is 1.45. That's a good ass entry, bro. You caught the wick. That's a nice entry, bro. What? You still what? Are you still in the long? Are you still in there? Because for 145, that's like here, innit? 5% move. What leverage? What leverage was you using? Because 5% move on a 20x leverage, that's a 1x. You doubled your money, bro. Even like 10x leverage, that's still 50%. That's nice. But I'm looking at Fartcoin, man. It's about to do it. Fartcoin needs to just break resistance and have at least a 15-minute candle above resistance, then we're in. This will be the second entry. Obviously, first entry, boom. You know, I already caught that 55%. I left. We just need to do that again. Rinse, repeat. And then we're good for the day. Am I being biased? Am I not looking at other coins? Yeah, I'm not really looking at other coins, bro. Virtual, virtual pumped, man. This shit pumped. This was a crazy breakout. Look at that. Boom, pumped. That's like a 40, 50% move. 70% move. Crazy. This one hurt me the most. See this trade? I done this trend line on the daily, yeah? Look at that. I saw this breakout on the daily. And then I thought, nah, let me get into something else. And it just took off, took off. And then when it got to here, I was like, cool, let it come back and I'll get in. Lost out. Back in the day, this would have pissed me off. This would have proper like pissed me off. I would have started chasing. I would have started FOMO. But now it's like I've learned that lesson. Like if you miss the train, it's cool, bro. There's always gonna be another train. It's not that deep. It's not that deep at all. So right now, silver and Fartcoin are the only things that's going up. The one thing I do like about Bitcoin, I've already said this, is we're starting to see some buying pressure. We see that's ETH, my bad. You know what's weird? Look, I just looked at ETH, yeah, and look up Bitcoin. Same thing. It's crazy. That's why I tell you, like, yo, like, make sure you see what Bitcoin is doing first before you open up a trade. Because, like, if you're like, let's say, like me right now, if I was gonna open up that Fartcoin trade, yeah, if Bitcoin was looking like it's gonna go down, I won't enter that Fartcoin trade because Bitcoin controls the whole market. Like, don't let anyone lie to you, lot. I learned the hard way. Like, find out what Bitcoin is doing first, and then enter the trades, bro. Yeah, boo, boo. 44x. Nah, you're taking the piss. Nah. You got your big boy pants on. That's how you're trading with big boy pants on, yeah? See me, see when the market shit like this, I don't trade with a lot of money. Look, let me go on my Maxi right now. I don't trade with a lot of money, bro. Look, what's that? 672. If you look at my trade from yesterday, I had like 600. The trade before that, 600. Like whenever it goes up, I just bring it down to like 600. But when the market is lit though, you see me trading with 5K margin, 10K margin, 7K margin. When the market shit like this, I just try to trade with like $500-700 max per trade, innit? It's long, bro. Buyers are coming in for Bitcoin though. Let's go on the hourly. On the hourly, you can see this low, high, low. But really and truly, like, we need to break this. This needs to get broken. Once this yellow line, 91, once 91 gets broken, the party starts. Party starts. Right now, anything can happen. Right now, it could easily go here and then come back down and do this. It can easily do something like this. You feel me? So right now, there's no confirmation. But once we break the highs, we're good. But so far, it's off to a good start. But we need to break this line first, and then we need to break this high and come for this high. That's why nothing's really moving like that, because Bitcoin's just moving iffy. I hate trading hype, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, look. I might just take off my watch list because I proper hate trading that coin, bro. It's annoying. SOL, missed the entry. Bitcoin looking like the one, man. I might just have to do like a low leverage, like don't do a 20x. I might just have to do like a 10x. I mean, 10x still calm. I mean, 20x would be better, but I ain't got my big boy pants on, bro. No way. No way. Nothing's changed with Fartcoin. This line needs to break. And it needs to become support. And then we can get in Fartcoin. But so far, Fartcoin looks like the one. Damn when it into the trade. But this is the most shittest part of trading. It's just the waiting, innit? Like, it's annoying. It's the waiting part. It's annoying, bro. Alexo Crypto. Nah, he's a good trader. The way he scouts is crazy. Like, he's in and out. He'll be in a trade for like 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, and he'll be like, yep, I'm out. I'll be like, bruh, I don't see this right now. This scalping thing is new to me. Feel me, bro? Me personally, like, I'm in a trade for a day or two. Maybe, like, not even a day or two, like 4 hours, 8 hours, sometimes a day or two. But him, when I go on his show, it's like, Bitcoin's bumping, it's dumping. Well, wait, I'll be like, yep, 800, 600, 500. I'll be like, bro, this guy just made like 4K in a space of like 30 minutes with bare trades. I was like, that's mad. I can't do shit like that. Hopefully, one day though, I'll be a king. I'll be a king of scalping like him. But right now, I don't think I can even handle all of that. Maybe it's all that coffee that he's drinking, bro. That's why I'm moving fast like that. Me, I can't do that shit, man. But I see his thing. He trades mostly like Bitcoin or Solana, innit? Like, he loves trading Sol or Bitcoin. That's what I was thinking, bro. You said 44x. I was thinking, bruh, that's some crazy, crazy, crazy leverage. But yeah, 20x is cool. I caught a little 20x over here on Fartcoin about an hour ago. That's why I'm not really like, I'm just chilled right now. Like, I've already made a bit of change for breakfast. Now I'm trying to, you get me? I'm trying to make more. Steve Hickey, my bro. Good morning, man. What's up? What's up? What you telling me, my guy? But yeah, look, for everyone that just joined, like, we're here, we're trying to catch a trade, but we're not trying to force a trade neither. Like, we're trying to win. Like, we're not trying to lose. We're trying to win. And this is the most annoying and boring bit about trading. But bro, like, it's better to be safe than sorry. Like, the coin I'm looking to trade is Spark coin. But obviously, I needed to do a couple of things first. I needed to break, come back, boom. And I can enter here on the break of the new pivot, or I can enter on the retest. That's just the way I trade. So far, Bitcoin's looking good-ish, but I feel a lot much better once we break this high. If we break this high, I feel a lot much better. And obviously, I feel great if we break this high. If we break 91,700, I feel a lot much better. But right now, we're off to a good start. As you can see, this is the low, it went up, buyers came in, we created a high low. So right now, once we start making a new high, I feel a lot much better. Bitcoin looks like the trade. There's the break. I just want to 10x it, you know. I don't even want to 20x it again, bro. It's annoying. 20x thing's just annoying, bro. Only because Fartcoin just moves quick. Like, look at this move, yeah. Just from here to here. That's 2.6% move. On the 20x, if you got that wrong, that's half of your capital gone. That's a 50% move. Crazy. Crazy, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. But Fartcoin's the one today, man. Bitcoin just needs to Bitcoin needs to break this level. And then we're good. Thank you, my bro, man. I'm just trying to do this London sessions now. Just wake up. Because obviously I'm in the UK, so it's easier for me, and I can just do the school run, walk the dog quickly around the block, come back, boom, make some money, get that breakfast in. So watch this. Let me show you let me just get rid of this triangle, yeah? And get rid of this as well. Let me show you Fartcoin on the longer time frame. On the 4 hour, she's looking good. So if we do like fib retracement from the lowest swing to the highest, this is the only thing that's scaring me. We didn't come for the 0.5. But apart from that, it's still looking good. Like, came down, buyer stepped in, it wicked over here, boom, boom, boom. Now we're going up, hopefully. That's on the 4 hour. That's what I see. Like, that doesn't mean like it can easily do something like this, create a lower high, and then come back down to over here and just do dumb shit like this. That's always on the card, innit? But we're scalping, so we don't care about what's gonna happen in the next 4 hour, 8 hour. We're just trying to make money in the next 15 minute, 10 minute, 5 minute. And for us to make that money, we need to close above this line. Ooh, on the 3 minute, we gotta close. I can feel it. We're going in Fartcoin. I can feel it. We're going in Fartcoin. I can feel it. I can feel it. Alright. Let's check what the big dog Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin just sitting above. Just break this, man. Just break this resistance and just go up, bro. It's annoying, man. Annoying. Trading the free. If I was trading the 3 minute, I would have probably went in already. But fuck that. Like fuck coins already gave me my wins for today. I'm not trying to give it back to the market. This is like an hour ago. Look, I already made my little something. You feel me? I'm not trying to give it back to the market. That's why I'm trying to time this perfectly. I'm trying to time this nicely so we can make some money and get the fuck out. Crypto bubble, nothing still moving. This on the hourly, nothing. Shit. That's why I see New York sessions is like the best sessions, bro. You just see the volume come in as soon as the market opens, boom. Whether we're going up or down, something happens. See this? It's London just shit. London sessions so shit, bro. For me, anyways, it's shit. It's no basis for the coming weeks. As in what? As in the market. As in what? Crypto, like Bitcoin and all of that. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I don't do all of that. Like, I think we're gonna have this kind of week. Like, see, especially with BTC, I don't do that, man. My thing is boring, bro. Like, look, that's why I didn't open that trade because it was hovering around resistance. But anyways, look, that's a good question, yeah. See me when it comes to Bitcoin, yeah. We do it level by level, bro. Like, look, level by level, level by level, level by level, level by level. Like, the way I do Bitcoin is the way I think about Bitcoin is if it breaks here, is it gonna come here? If it breaks here, is it gonna come here? If it breaks here, is it gonna come here? If it breaks here, is it gonna come here? Like I don't really sit and be like, yo, cool, the bottom's in, blah blah blah. Like I don't see the point of all of that because no one knows what's gonna happen, right? Like trading is not really about predicting, it's about reacting. So what I'll do is if Bitcoin starts making higher highs, higher lows, I'll start going heavy on my longs. And if it's doing the opposite, I'll start going heavy on my shorts. But yeah, I hope that answered your question, bro. But on the 4 hour though, look, buys come in. Buys defo came in. 200 SMA sitting below support right here. I don't know if you lot can see it, the yellow line. Jeez. So annoying. That's why I said this little line, this right here needs to get broken for me to enter that trade. Because now look what Farquaad's doing. Like it's annoying, man. What are you saying? Short. Should I short this at resistance? Yeah, bro. Yeah, it sounds reasonable, innit? But see my method, bro. Um, it's based on me, like like my risk tolerance, my emotions, my experience. Like I've been here 5 years, innit? So I've done all of that. Like I'll sit down, I'll look at a weekly chart. I used to be like, cool, Bitcoin's going here, Bitcoin's going here. This is what's gonna happen. Da, da, da. And I just learned, like, bro, the easiest thing to do is just price does whatever price is gonna do. The easiest way is just like, bro, just take it level by level, innit? And then that's it. And it just saves you a lot of like headaches, in my opinion. For me, anyways. Like my brain's fucked, bro. So like when I started doing it level by level, for my brain, it just made my life so much easier, bro. Imagine if we entered that long, would have been pissed. Would have been pissed. It would have been pissed, bruh. It's annoying, man. I'm gonna end up forcing it. I'm not gonna force a trade, but I might just do it with a very small amount of money just to show you lot I got into a trade because this kind of getting annoying. I've been here for how long now? Been here like 40 minutes and I ain't got in one trade. What do you lot think? Should I just enter a trade? Just for the fun of it? Like, no, not with a lot of money. Just for the fun of it. Cool. Bitcoin breaks that. I'm gonna short Fartcoin. Fuck it. And that's what I love about leverage trading as well, because like you can just flip. You can just go, yo, I'm longing, and then if Bitcoin looks bearish, you'll be like, yo, cool, I'm shorting. See, when you're in that spot trades, it feels like prison, bro. You're stuck. You're just there like, ugh, you can't do nothing until you're free, until the price starts going up. Yeah, spot trades are just long, bro. Spot trades are long. You might as well just call them investments and just get in at the right time and just forget about it. Fuck it, man. We've been here for time. I'm just gonna enter the trade. It is what it is. Annoying. Might just do the whole 670. Might just do the whole 670. Let's go. We're in. I'm gonna pattern my stop loss though. Kind of forced to trade. I feel like I've been here for time. Bitcoin breaks this though. We're in the game. Either way, we're in the trade. Bitcoin. Let's go. Stop loss is kind of techie. But fuck it. What's good though, chat? What's good? What's good? What you lot into? What you lot doing? Are you lot shorting? Are you lot longing? Or you lot waiting for New York session to start? What you lot doing? As you can see, I just got into a Fartcoin trade and refresh this. I don't know why it's saying minus. Like we should be up. Yeah, up $16. But we're not here for $16, are we? Nah, nah, nah. $19. Come on, man. Anyways, cool. So now what we do is we look at Bitcoin and we fucking hope and pray Bitcoin goes up. Otherwise, the trade is invalid and stop loss gets hit. And that's it. That's what I do. Like, see, most times now, yeah, when I enter a trade, yeah, whether it's a long or a short, I don't even look at that coin. I just look at Bitcoin. I just look at Bitcoin and be like, what are we doing? Are we going up? Are we going down? Because really and truly, I don't need to look at the other coin because Bitcoin controls the market, right? Like right now, look, Bitcoin's going down. Well, if it was going down, and I'll go and pull out Filecoin would be going down. But as long as Filecoin makes this blue line support, we should see some gains. As long as Filecoin starts making this blue line, let's make it bigger so everyone can see. As long as Filecoin makes this blue line support, we should see some gains. I mean, like, we can come up here. That's a big move from our entry using 20x leverage. That's a big move. We doubled our money. Like even down here, because we got some more over here. That's still a big move. If we get there. If we get there. Now we're on $35, 5% up. TP's at 100. So hopefully TP gets hit. And for all the new people that's joined, this is like my third live session. I'm thinking about doing live every day, London sessions, because obviously I'm from the UK and it just makes sense for me and it's easier. Like wake up, dog walk, school run, trading. How's Bitcoin gonna react around this resistance? Cool. No surprise here why everything's looking all right because Bitcoin broke above this little resistance area. But I'll start getting excited once we break here. Let's turn this blue as well. If we break this, I'll get excited. Right now, I'm not really getting excited because it can easily just come back down. Like literally, it can easily come back down. Get rid of that. But we need this to get broken first. That's why we do level by level. Once this gets broken, we hope for this one to get broken. Once this gets broken, the big one, this one needs to get broken. And then so on, so on, so on. Nothing's really changed on crypto bubble. Nothing's really changed. Like shit. That's why see New York, yeah. New York sessions are just, bro, they're the best. Like for right now, like if this was New York session, you see everything 5%, 10%. Whether it's to the downside or to the upside, you see that volume come in. London sessions are just tired, dead, dead, bro. Altcoin breaks down here. This is what I sold my previous trade. Bear in mind what I bought somewhere like down here, sold up here, and then we're back in this trade again. We need to break that. If we break this, then you know it's happy days. But for all of that to happen, like I said, Bitcoin needs to start going higher. Yeah, chat. Who you lot telling me though? What's good? What's good? What if BTC closed the next 4 hour candle above what? 97. 90,700, yeah. Cool. That brings it to here. Yeah, thank yeah, bro. It makes sense in it trading like that because you're just literally going one step to the next, to the next, to the next. Makes perfect sense. But other people don't trade like that. Other people trade like. But end of the day, yeah. See, when it comes to people trading, like I don't really go mad. Like I don't really judge anyone as long as they're making money, bro. Nothing else matters because this shit is hard. Like being right or making money, like and being consistent, like consistently making money is it's a difficult thing when it comes to trading. So if they're using some crazy shit and they're trading and it works, good for them, bro. For me, what works for me is level by level. And that's just me being real. And I learned the hard way. It took me like what? I've been trading 5 years. It took me at least like 2 years, even longer than that, 3 years to be like, yo, I need to change my way. Like this is long. I need to stop doing whatever the fuck I was doing. That wasn't working. But once I just became a price action trader, I started seeing a lot much more profit, a lot much more gains. I started being more consistent. Like the discipline, like it made sense. It made sense. Back to entry again, annoying. Bitcoin getting rejected here again, annoying. I mean, Bitcoin getting rejected here again, annoying. I mean, look, the way I see it, yeah, when it comes to Bitcoin, as long as we start closing above this blue line, we're good, man. We're all right. We got a chance. We got a chance, lad. We got a chance, lad. Yeah, until then, like, bro, until then, it's squeaky bum time. Until then, it's squeaky bum time. What else is going on out here, though? Yo, if you lot ain't watched this video, this Jasmine video, I advise you to watch it, man. 2 days ago, got 263 views. This one was crazy. I like can't say I predicted, but I saw the Jasmine move happen. Like it was weird. It's like I just saw the whole thing happening, and I made a video about it. Like on this day, I made a video about it. The next day, boom, 36% move. See, when you get days like that, I love it, man. When you get days like that, it proper makes me feel like, hard work's paying off. But what else, man? I got a couple of shorts. I ain't really been active on my shorts. I ain't done a short in a while. I ain't done a short in a while. My shorts are just, what else have I got? That's about it. This video, Traders' Worst Nightmare, I just talk about why traders don't take profit. Like taking profit is a proper like weird thing. Like even though you do take profit, you could have took more profit, but traders have issues with taking profit. Me, including me as well, obviously, and then I had to learn the hard way. Now I have no issues with taking profit. I get that bag and run. Like I respect a 20% move the same way I respect a 5x move. As long as I don't lose, I respect it. Trust me, because this shit is hard. You lot should know this, innit? You lot traders, you lot know what going. This shit is hard. But yeah, fuck coin trade. How's it going now? We're getting there, slowly getting there. My shit lags. $42, cool. We're getting there, man. Obviously, we need to break this line. I don't like the color of it. Let's make it bigger. Nah, it's dead. There you go. We need to break that. If it doesn't break that, we don't get excited, right? Nah. Fuck, I just playing games, bro. Yeah, you see when it comes to trading as well, like forget about the charts, forget about the setup, all of that. All of that is important, but yeah, like you see your mind for it. It's all in your mind, bro. Because if you ain't got that steadiness in your mind, yeah, you'll lose out on trades. Or like you won't take trades. Like trading, I reckon like 90 to 85% is all about your mindset. It's all about your mindset, bro. Because bro, like I've seen some like good traders, bro, like with 6 setups, and then they'll send me a chart and I'll be like, yo, I didn't even see it like that. Cool. And I'll enter and then I'll message him like, yo, bro, fucking thanks for that trade, innit? Like I made some nice gains. I'm like, did you enter? He's like, nah. And I'm like, what the fuck? What do you mean, nah, bro? You send me that chart. What do you mean you didn't enter? You feel me? It's the mindset, innit? Hate when my phone rings and I'm on live, man. I'm on live, bro. Oh yeah, another thing, if you don't follow me on X, follow me on X. I do most of my updates here. Like every trade I take, it's here. Literally show you whether I'm in a L or not. Show you sometimes I post a chart, show you when to enter, when I entered, all of that shit. And sometimes I keep you updated as well. Like literally, I tell you when to enter, when not to. That's my boy Trade Intuition. That's my guy Joe. If you don't follow him, you don't know what to do, man. Follow Joe. He's the real deal. He does live shows. I think I forgot his time. He's in America, so like his time. I forgot what his times was, but just subscribe to him. Press the notification bell. You don't know what to do, man. He teaches people how to trade on YouTube every day for free. Like you can ask him thousands of questions. He loves it, bro. He proper loves it. He'll sit there and he'll be like, "Cool, this is why, and this is the." You feel me? Like his thing's different. He's a good brother. Yeah. So look, I literally on X. I literally boom. That's what I'll do. I'll show you when I enter. So I won't just send you a chart and I'll be like, "Oh yeah, this is looking good." Whatever, whatever. I'll show you the chart. I'll be like, "Cool, boom. This is me. That's my entry. Boom. Showed you the chart. That's my entry. And then boom, that's obviously we're up 20%. And then when we get up to 35%, and then I'll be like, yo, don't get scared, everyone. We got a long way ahead of us. And then we start printing easy money. And then and then I'll tell you, like, seriously though, like if you took that as the next trade, like don't forget to put stops and profits. You feel me? Just secure the bag. And then we're pumping. And then I'll be like, yo, I hope you lot took some profits. You feel me? And then I was like, yo, take some profits on that trade. Basic, this is me. Remember, I can't tell you to do something, innit? Like, all I can do is advise you. So I'm like, yo, take some profits on that trade. But you know when I done this tweet, you know what happened after, innit? It dumped. And then fuck coin short opportunity. Boom. Show you like when to enter. Show you like how I enter and I gained. And then I show you another entry because this was the break of structure. We wanted it to come, make a new low. Obviously, a lower high would be the entry. But yeah, yeah, man. Like, follow me on X because I'm active on X. It's easier for me to be active on X because I could be on the roads, I could be doing whatever, and I could see a setup or I could see something. Boom, I'll just post it on X. Right now, Bitcoin just boring as fuck. Just playing games. Don't want to break here. That's my trade saying. Cool. My trade. Look, this trade that I'm in, yeah. I keep telling you, like, this blue line is very important for me, anyways. As long as we keep closing above it, it's very important. Because look, over here, we couldn't close, came down, couldn't close, came down, got near it, came down. Um, went up, wicked, came straight down. Now we're starting to get 5 minute. Even though the little 5 minutes, we're starting to get closes above this line in it. I guess I'm up like $47. Let me check. I'm up $55. Up to D. Am I excited? No, because we've still got a long way ahead of us. We need to break this. Once we break that, onto the next one, onto the next one, onto the next one. Yeah, most of my errors when it comes to trading is just emotion. That's what it used to be. I used to be emotionally attached to the trade. But that was only because I was trading with money. In reality, I couldn't afford to lose. So when I started sorting that bit out, so now you see when every time I get in a trade, yeah, let me quickly break it down to you lot. So you see now, every time I get in a trade, yeah, I basically, let's say I'm trading with 5K, 1K, $100, $20, don't matter the amount. The margin doesn't matter, yeah. What matters is the money that I'm trading with, yeah. In my head, that's gone. Like, I've lost it, it's gone, it's never coming back. But obviously my intention is to double it, triple it, quadruple it, whatever, yeah. But emotionally, that, like, I've got in my head, like, that's gone, that money's gone. You know, when I started thinking like that, I started seeing like better results, like way better results. Like, I started feeling a bit free. I was like, yeah, cool, I'm in. Like, I wasn't emotionally attached to the trade. So when I started getting these X's, I was staying for longer. Or like, do you know what I'm saying? See, before, like, let's say I trade with 5K and I get to 7.5, I'll be like, sell, did it. And then 4 hours later, I'll be like, fuck, I could have made 15K. It's because I was too emotionally, do you know what I'm saying? I hope you don't understand what I'm trying to say, man. Yeah, as long as as long as Fartcoin keeps breaking, like closing above this blue line, we're good. We just need Bitcoin to just give us a dead move, even like a 1% move. You know, if Bitcoin right now gives us a 1% move, that'll probably bring it up here, yeah. Like if it come, if bro, even if you can come up here, not even one, yeah, just come up here 1%. Bitcoin gives us a 1% move right here. Bitcoin will do some crazy pump. Bitcoin will pump. It would pump. How long we been in this trade? Bro, how long we been in the stream? Hour and 8 minutes. Yesterday I done a 2 hour stream. I'm not trying to do a 2 hour stream again today, man. That was long. Like I went from my first stream, 45 minutes, my second stream, 2 hour, and this is my first stream. And I ain't trying to do no 2 hours. Feel me? Hell no. Fuck that. I'll probably be here for another like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then I'll bounce. Today's Friday. Same. Got shit to do. I need to go barbers. I need to sort my shit out. To go barbers. I need to eat some food. I need to go gym. Got a couple stuff to do. On the four, you see, like on the high time frame, yeah, like on the hour, on the 4 hour, you can see the buyers came in. Last time the buyers came in, Bitcoin pumped over here, and this time I'm not saying it's not gonna come back down, but you can yeah, you can clearly see like buyers came in. Like let's go on the hour. Bitcoin just looks better on the higher time frame, hour, 4 hour. But just on the 15 minute, on the 5 minute, it doesn't look nice, bro. It just looks like we're gonna dump. And if we break here, it's annoying, man. If we break this line, it's so annoying. So annoying. Uh, Not long, bro. Not long at all. I don't think I'll be in Fartcoin for that long. Like, I'm probably down right now because Bitcoin's going down. But I don't I don't intend to be in that trade for too long. Like, let me show you what I mean by that. Like, if we get up here and up here, I'll sell. But that's only because I'm using 20x leverage and that's me. Like, you know what I'm saying? That'll be 100% move for me if we get up here. So I'll get out that trade. Right now, though, it's not looking good, bro. Bitcoin just ruined my whole trade. It's annoying. This is what I'm saying, bro. Just you see this coin is just annoying. But it is what it is. It's part of the game. Told you on the smaller time frame, I didn't like how Bitcoin's looking, man. Like on the 3 minutes, it just don't look nice. Doesn't look nice at all. Doesn't look nice at all. Once I realized like this wasn't getting broken, this blue line wasn't getting broken, like we wasn't doing something like this. I knew like we'd be in trouble. I knew we'd be in trouble, bro. But if Bitcoin breaks this line, safe. Next stop, down here. Down here, then down here. I'm down on my altcoin trade. I might as well show you guys. Down. TP nearly get hit. Ooh, stop loss nearly. TP stop loss nearly got hit. I didn't even want to look at it. I thought stop loss got hit. Ah, it is what it is though, guys. It is what it is. Already caught a nice little trade on Fartcoin this morning. As you can see, 2 hours ago, made a little 55%. Nice. Happy with that. I went in again. Where is it? I went in again. Greedy. I was up like $50. But yeah, Bitcoin had other plans. Bitcoin had other plans. Stop loss gonna get hit. If we don't bounce like here, stop loss gonna get hit. It is what it is though. The only thing that can save us is some dumb shit like if Bitcoin just went doom. Doom. Let me get rid of this shit. Just the volume on London sessions is so shit, man. I'm just gonna do what I'm gonna start doing. I'm just gonna start trading like New York sessions, bro. Like me personally, I don't give a fuck. Like I don't care about who's on, who's trading up, who's live at that time and da. I don't care even if I get like 2 views, 1 view or 0 view. I don't care about all of that shit. But I reckon to show my skills and to show that what I can do I need to be in the market when there's a nice bit of volume. And London sessions is just shit, bro. It's just so shit. It's unbelievable. Stop loss about to get hit. The only thing that's protecting it is nothing. Just 0.4077. I don't see that holding at all. Stop loss gonna get hit. Like you can say like, oh bro, why don't you just close the trade now and save yourself $55? But I don't trade like that. Like when I put my stop loss in, that was what I was willing to lose, right? And when I done my take profit, that was what I was willing to win, right? But yeah, I don't trade like that. Like that's all emotions. You know, if I close the trade right now and try to save myself $55, what's it called? I'm basically, that's all just my emotions. I'm acting on my emotion. That's dead. I don't trade like that. It is what it is. I knew what the risk was before I put the trade, and I'm just sticking to the plan. If I get stomped out, oh well, on to the next one. It's not that deep. It's not that deep. This would have been, if I won this trade, this would have been 3 days in a row I've gone live and I got winning trades. So it's not that deep at all, man. And we still got a chance. You know what I'm saying? If Bitcoin pumps here, we got a chance. You never know. Yeah, never know. Yeah, that's part of the game, my bro. Part of the game. As long as like, see, like my other friends, yeah, that don't trade, they always ask me like, oh, how'd you deal with the losses? Because you know when you lose, or sometimes I tell them, yeah, I got stumped out, I lost this, I lost that, yeah. They'll be like, how'd you deal with that? I just tell them, as long as I've got more wins than losses, you don't, it's not that deep. See what I'm saying? So like in a month, if I've lost 2K, 3K, if I've made 7K, 8K, like it's not really a loss, is it? You know what I'm saying? It's not really a loss at all. But yeah, that's my aim though, man. 10K a month, bad month, 5K a month. That's the goal. That's what keeps me going. That's what keeps the drive. That's what keeps the fire in my belly. In me belly. Cool. $100 L so far. We've been streaming for how long? Hour and 20. We do like 10 more minutes, hour and a half, and then we cut. Let's just see if my stop loss gonna get hit or not, and then we call it a day. Because I done 2 hours yesterday. My first stream the day before that, I done 45 minutes. That 45 minutes went quick. And then yeah. And then today we're gonna end up doing like an hour and crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm gonna be getting stomped out. As soon as Bitcoin breaks this red line, I think we're getting stomped out. It was doing all right, you know. It was holding. I really thought it was gonna come up here. But Bitcoin controls the market. You know how it goes. You know how it goes, you know how it goes. Nah, I don't see this one bouncing, my bro. We're getting stumped out. Look how close we are. Oof. Trade a new low. Yeah, we're getting stumped out. Quickly see what Bitcoin's doing. Obviously, that's what Bitcoin's doing. And sometimes I look at, you see, when my stop loss hits, sometimes I just look at it. I'll be like, yeah, cool. And it kind of motivates me, like, watch out, come back, bitch. Do you not do that? Like, you know, when you're about to get stumped out, you just close your phone or turn the laptop off or whatever. Me, I watch it. I'll be like, yeah, cool. So right now, if I get stumped out and I lose money, me and the market is going to be 1-1 because obviously I won my first trade in it. So this is my second trade. It's going to be 1-1. And then we're going to see who's going to turn it to 2-1, 3-1. I usually do. I usually make it 3-1, 4-1. Ooh, buyers coming in. Are they are they for real though? Bro, you see when I was in this trade earlier, yeah, and when it pumped, look what it done. It's just went boom, 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 boom. It just went crazy. All the people that were shorting it got fucked over. Like you see this, like it just went boom, 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 boom. And when it came up here, obviously I sold. Like, how can I not sell up here, bro? You see what I'm saying? Look what it just done. And I was up. I said, bro, I'm selling. Imagine if he didn't sell down here. She would have been pissed. Like, I sold up here. That was like an easy, like, I didn't even have to think about it. It was a no-brainer. This thing just pumped. Like it was like a 5% move just in the space of like 9 minutes. I was like, yo, I'm selling. I'm out. 15 minute. What's come to save fuck coin, bro? What's this? The 200 SMA on the 15 minute? Don't even make sense, bro. Doesn't even make sense. Alright, you know what's mad? I'm gonna I'm gonna have to after this, I'm not even gonna look. I'm not looking for longs no more. Do you know why? Look, I can't show you the phone because it's got my door as a screensaver, yeah. But you lot can go and check it out. Go on Crypto Banter's X account, yeah. Sheldon just tweeted BTC update, a temporary bounce is coming. You see, when this guy talks, bro, the opposite happens. Shittest trader alive. Bro, he's been talking about altcoin season for like 9 months. He's been wrong 9 months straight. So you know when this guy tells you the bounce is coming, I just feel to show everything right now, bro. I'm sorry, Sheldon, if you're watching this, but you've been shit. See, for the past 12 months, you've been shit, dog shit. And your community just been fucking dying, bro. Like, go, my man's. I don't even want to do all of this. I don't want to start going YouTube and just in case they'll start snitching on me, yeah. But bro, go like if you lot got time, go on Crypto Banter, go on Sheldon's thing and read the comments, bro. His whole community is just laughing at him. Like my man was talking about if altcoin season didn't happen like 6 months ago, he'll quit trading, he'll never trade again. Like did it. Every setup he's showing you is like, yes, breakouts time. and it's just the opposite way, opposite way. Shit guy. He just tweeted just now. So that's what's making me think, Jesus. Because where I counter trade this guy, I'm just telling you like this from now. I watch his tweets and I watch his shows and I counter trade him. That's been the most easiest thing to do like last year. Yeah, Sheldon's crap as fuck. The maddest thing is he never used to be this shit. Like 2022, he was actually all right, bro. Trust me, bro. He wrecked his market, bro. He wrecked his community, bro. He wrecked his community. Like he literally took the piss, bro. Like he would go on live with a straight face and be like, "Yes, this is the best buying opportunity," and then he'll pull out the charts. These charts don't even make sense. He's forcing these lines. He's forcing, like, you know what I'm saying? He's forcing his narrative. And then he'd be like, yes, just buy it. And then you see the coin's on a downtrend. And he'd be like, yeah, that's support. Trust me. Da-da-da-da. And you'd be like, the coin just made a new low, bro. The coin just making new lows. And you're telling them, buy the new lows. That's a definition of a downtrend. He took the piss, bro. Yeah, he took the piss. Just hurry up and happen, man. Look, fucking put my stop loss in or fucking pump. Like, what we doing it? Fucking annoying now. Yeah, I'm gonna stop trading London sessions. It's so shit. What do you lot think about London sessions? What do you lot think? What do you lot? Bro, I rather Asia sessions than London sessions all day long. Yeah, Sheldon's garbage, bro. He's shit. He's been shit. I don't know what happened to him in 2025, but it's like he just went shit. It's like what's his name? What's that Asian, the Indian guy's name? Ren, or whatever his name is. It's like he just gave him like a big mug of shit and said, drink this for the whole year. And that's what he's done in it. He's just drunk shit for the whole year, and all these trades were just shit. Shittest guy ever, bro. Like, see, if that was me, bro, I would make like a public announcement. I'll be like, listen, I was going through some crazy mental health. I fucked up. I was wrong. I'm sorry. I'm gonna come back better, stronger. 2026. He's come back on the same shit vibe, bro. Like he's still got that shit drink in his hand, bro. Shit guy. Yeah, New York is the best time, man. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna start doing now, man. New York or Asia, man. Because London is shit. UK just, bro, tired. Everyone do you know what everyone in the UK, right? Not UK, but everyone in Europe is on Things stream right now. What's his name? Ivan the Tech. He just sits there and just chats. You see, Ivan the Tech, I actually like him because he just sits there and just chats shit for an hour. And he's got like 20 fucking thousand people on his live, or like 5,000, 4,000 people on his live. Feel me? His community is crazy. He don't show you no trades, no nothing. He just sits there and he be like, yeah, I think this is gonna go up, this is gonna go down. Buy my course, da-da-da-da, da-da-da. And he talks fast as well. That's my guy. Sometimes I watch him for fun still. Let's get into that time again. Let's get into that squeaky bum time. Stop loss, get about to get hit. Uh, Told you, man. Sheldon tweeted the bounce is coming. As soon as I saw that, I said we should just fucking short everything, fam. Man said, look, Sheldon tweeted. Look what's happening as soon as Sheldon tweeted. I told you, man, this guy is shit. He's the shittest guy ever, bro. We're saying yours a bit lower. Yeah, but I just see me. when it comes to the stop loss, I just it's what I was willing to lose on the trade, innit? Do you know what I'm saying? That's how I do my stop loss. I know sometimes you're supposed to do it below the support and all of that shit, yeah. But with me, it's just what I'm willing to lose in it. Like if I'm willing to lose 200 in this trade, cool, fuck it. That's what I'm willing to lose in it. It's playing games with us though, bro. What's going on? I honestly think like, bro, what the fuck? Just hurry up and do it, bro. Fucking long, man. But you know what? Do you know what's funny though? It's the same way as well with when it's the other way around. You know, when it's TP time and it's just so close to your TP and you're like, bro, I know you're gonna get there. So why are you taking so long? Just hurry up. Fucking annoying, bro. But this is that line I said we don't want Bitcoin to break. This was easy. This was just I think I done this on the 3 minute. Yeah, I done this on the 3 minute. The 3 minute I said we don't want this to break. Obviously breaking this was annoying already, but we just didn't want this to break. Yeah, man. See, when it comes to that fucking what's it called? Risks, stop losses and all of that. It's just based on what I'm willing to lose, man. Because like imagine like imagine like fucking, and it depends when I enter the trade as well, innit? Because imagine the support's all the way down there, and then support would have worked out to be losing 40% or 50%. It's annoying, proper annoying. We defo got stamped out now. We have to have. Oh, eh, eh. I mean, bro, let's just go on the 1 minute so we make this entertaining. Turn it to a 1 minute so we make this one entertaining. Yeah, when it comes to risk management, bro, it's just about the money that I'm willing to lose. How would that make me feel? Will it? There you go. We're in. Like, how would it make me feel and all of that crap? Like this right now, this getting hit, me losing $200. It's not the end of the world. You know what I'm saying? I made double that this morning, so it's not that deep at all. It's just 1-1 with the market right now. Once this gets hit, it's just 1-1 with the market. Yeah, man. Fucking hell, bro. So what's my stop loss? There you go. Happy days. Mission failed. Just got the email. Thank you for sending me the email, telling me my stop loss got hit. I'm on live watching that shit, you bitch. Now they're gonna send it. Nah, I'm chatting shit. I'm chatting shit. I'm chatting shit. Yeah, we don't want Bitcoin to break this. Because if Bitcoin starts breaking this, then obviously I'm gonna start looking for shorts. Then I'm gonna start looking for shorts. Oof. So watch, let me show you this now, yeah? When we was talking about risk management, yeah? So watch this. So obviously people will set their stop loss down here just below previous low, innit, yeah? But you need to understand on my leverage, I would be that would on a 20x leverage, that would basically mean me losing like 50%. You see what I'm saying? So I don't do it like that. I just do it like, what am I willing to lose? I'm willing to lose Two bills, $200. Cool, no props. That's why I do it like that. But even this trade, I was kind of like, what's it called? Not forced to do it, but it was like, bro, I was on stream for like an hour. I was like, this is dead. I was like, let me just get in something. And I did believe though we was going up, but obviously it's not that, and it's not that deep. Like we already made first trade of the day was Fartcoin. Like we already made some nice gains. Tried again, it flopped. Oh well, on to the next one. What coins am I looking at? I'm gonna show you lot. Before I go, I'm gonna show you lot some. I'm gonna show you what coin I want to get into a New York session. Let's see what this done. Engine looks alright, you know. Bounced up to 0.5. Well, it's above the 0.5. Engine looks kind of alright. I might get into engine, INJ, or AVAX ain't done nothing for a while, you know. Shitty AVAX. But look, I had big plans for AVAX, you know. It's why we do level by level. Break this level, break this level, break, 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 break. Look, I had big plans for AVAX. Big plans. I mean, if AVAX come down here, if it comes down here, I'll enter. So like if we get a quick, you know how it goes, man. You know how they'll do it. If it just quickly goes, room, coming here, I'll enter. This is perfect timing. My lappy's running out of battery. Perfect. So cool. Them two coins, Engine and AVAX, that's the coins I'll be looking to get into. And if the market pumps, and when New York opens, if the market pumps and Bitcoin pumps, I'm sure you lot this from now. Fartcoin's gonna be the biggest. Fartcoin's gonna outperform everything. I truly believe that. If the market goes green and they send it, Fartcoin is gonna outperform everything. That's what I honestly believe. Yeah. But yo, listen, I just want to appreciate everyone that came on the live. I appreciate everyone that came on the live. And yeah, man, you don't know what to do. Just when you see me on live, hit me up. All I do is live trades and I show you why I enter a trade and all of that shit. Like, I don't try and make money off you or none of that shit. I just show you how I trade. Hopefully you can teach me something or I can teach you something. But yeah, um, I wish everyone good luck today, man, and have a good day. Take care. See you on the next one.